Good afternoon everyone and welcome to the Weather Centre. We've kept our satellite loop quite zoomed out for today so that we can take a look at these systems affecting the southern Indian Ocean. The first is a tropical low moving in over Madagascar, bringing strong winds and heavy rainfall to parts of the island. And then there's tropical cyclone Bansi, which continues to move to the north of Mauritius for the meantime. Over South Africa, on the other hand, far more settled. Some fog early in the day along the western coastline. Partly cloudy over the eastern parts so far. There have been a few showers moving in over the Lowveld and along the east coast. And here we can see a cold front that's approaching our western coastline. Now for the rest of today, there will be thunder showers across the interior, scattered for some of the central parts. Showers will continue moving in over the Lowveld and the KZN coast, and a cold front approaching our western coastline may already bring some late evening rainfall around Cape Town and towards Langebaan. Now for tomorrow, that cold front will be pushing in quite quickly across the southern parts. That's going to bring morning rain along the west coast and the adjacent interior. Showers will spread along the south coast in the afternoon, reaching KwaZulu-Natal by your Friday night. Thunderstorms are still expected for the eastern parts of the country, but somewhat drier for the western interior. Now, the South African Weather Service has issued a warning for today. That's for a high fire danger affecting much of western South Africa, including the south coast, where berg winds are in effect this afternoon. Scattered showers and thunder showers are expected from the northwest across much of the Free State and extending down towards the Eastern Cape, while there's a broad area for isolated thunder showers across the central and eastern parts, including parts of the Eastern Cape. Showers will continue moving in along the eastern coastline and for the Lowveld, and there we see that evening rainfall which may affect the southwest coast. Fresh winds for this afternoon for both Port Elizabeth and East London, but a moderate northeaster has been forecast for Durban. Very high temperatures are expected for the far southern interior today. 38 degrees as a maximum for Graafrenet. Areas in the Little Karoo will reach the low 40s this afternoon. Upper 20s on the Highveld, but a hot and humid 31 expected for Richards Bay. Tomorrow morning will be quite a bit cooler already for the western parts, 11 degrees for Sutherland and 12 for Springbok. Warm across the eastern coastline once again, and temperatures in the upper teens for both Pretoria and Mbombela. Johannesburg today gets to 27, quite a bit of cloud cover, and along with that we could see some isolated thunder showers developing, and those storms may persist into the early evening. Things will dry out later on, and a minimum temperature of 16 is expected early tomorrow morning. By the afternoon, there will be thunder showers once again over that area. Showers along the south coast, much cooler. George with a high of only 21. But by Saturday, things will have dried out across the Cape provinces, but it's going to be a cloudy, cool and wet day for Mbombela at 23 degrees.